Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and showing me so much love and support. To my new subscribers, I hope you have found another new home to learn and grow together. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new hair, and we're going to be talking about the packaging, and we're going to be talking about what comes along with the wig. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I have bought hair from this company before. That's the one I have on, and it comes well packed in this beautiful box. So because I love this hair so much, and after 3 years this hair still looks good, I decided to purchase another one. So we're going to be opening this box and see exactly what comes along with the wig. So there's the box. This is how the box looks like. This is how the wig looks like inside. I'm gonna put that aside. So they send you the wig cap and with some lashes. I have them right now. I don't know where they are, but they send you some beautiful lashes. I'm probably gonna put them up here so you guys can see. I'll take a picture once I find. We're going to talk about the packaging. Very, very beautiful. Very it is similar to the old box. It's just the new box has the barcode for Instagram and Facebook, but all in all they're the same. So the packaging is always beautiful and I always love it. And now we're going to be going to the hair. So this is how the hair looks like. It comes wrapped in a net for you, so you can take that off. So this is a 22-inch Brazilian Remy hair, and this is 8A grade. This one that I have is 7A, so I'm pretty sure this one's gonna last even longer because the quality is like 1 grade higher. So it is a 360. I'm going to turn that for you so you guys can see it. It is a 360 full lace wig. And you guys remember I did tell you it comes with 4 combs, but I took the ones that I have on this one off. So here it is, just to show you exactly how it comes. It has 1 in the front, and it has 2 in the sides, and then it has 1 in the back. And then it comes with adjustable straps. The adjustable, so you can adjust your wig. If you want it tighter, you can just move the adjustables to where you are comfortable with. So, and the color is a natural color. It looks a bit darker. It looks a bit darker than the one that I have on, but yes, it is 130 density, and I think I got this for $165. And of course it's coming from Shantique Lace Wigs, if I did not mention that. I really like this wig, and I really wanted to get another one because I've had this for 3 years and it's been such a great wig. So yeah, this is about it, and it's a loose wave, so you can see those curls. I love the curl pattern. So the hair comes pre-plucked. What it looks like on my hand. So I love it. I don't even think I'll have to tint the wig. I'll probably have to bleach the knots just because I want to, but I just wanted to show you guys an up close of how those pre-plucked baby hairs look like. I'll probably have to pluck some more, but that's basically about it. So without further ado, guys, we're going to bleach this wig and then I'll be back. So I'm just removing those combs from the wig, and I'm just going to be cleaning up the rest of the fabric that might have remained on the wig. Taking my bowl, my BW2 lightener, and my Claro 30 volume developer, and my pair of gloves. I usually just need 2 scoops. I used 2.5, and that was actually a lot for me, so the recommended is just 2 scoops if you're just doing the front part of the wig. So now I'm just taking my 30 volume developer and I'm gonna mix that together. Now you're looking for a thick consistency of the mixture, and that is what I was going for. So you just keep mixing until you actually achieve that thick paste consistency. So now I'm going to be going in with a fabric dye. So I'm going to be using the Ritz fabric dye in the color dark brown, and this is going to help me with the whole bleaching process. So this process helps prevent over bleaching and having a wig that's going to look brassy. So my paste was not as thick as I wanted it to be. So if you're a beginner, I would prefer, or I would advise you to have a very thick paste and have a hard time applying that paste on the wig, than have a thin paste that may run through your wig. So I could work with this paste, but the secret is I was not leaving this paste on for a very long time. So I left it on for less than 10 minutes. So now I left it for 8 minutes, and after 8 minutes it was time to wash the bleach out. So I'm just going to clean all that product off the wig before I add any shampoo and conditioner. And now I'm using my Shimmer Lights shampoo, and I'm going to apply that on the part where I bleach the wig, and this kind of helps to neutralize the whole bleaching process on the wig. And now after I rinse the hair, I'm going to be going in with my Isopure conditioner, and I'm going to use that on the wig and let it sit for 5 minutes before I rinse out the hair. Now after 5 minutes, the hair was ready to be rinsed out, and leave it to air dry. Now look at that hairline, guys. That is how you want your wig to look like after you've bleached it. And now it's time to seal our knots. So I'm going to be going in with this top lock knot sealer spray, and that's gonna help seal the knots and prevent them from breaking. So I'm just spraying that all around the front part of the wig because that is where I mainly place the bleach. And now I'm just using this bulbous Remy leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna spray it all over my wet wig, and then I'm gonna leave it to air dry. So this is how the hair turned out after leaving it to air dry. And those are actually her natural curls. Now, to save a lot of time, I did blow dry it and straighten it off camera, and this is how it looks like. I love how the hair turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole process with me. Thank you for watching. God bless, and see you in my next video.